Now the question is integration of 0 to pi by 2 2 log sin x minus log sin 2x dx. Now what we can write for this particular part, 0 to pi by 2 log sin x whole square, this 2, okay, property of logarithm, minus log of sin 2x dx. 0 to pi by 2 log sin square x upon sin 2x dx. Again, property of logarithm. 0 to pi by 2 log sin square x upon 2 sin x cos x dx. Pi by 2 to 0, pi by 2 to 0 log sin x upon 2 cos x dx. Now, how to write it? 0 to pi log sin x dx minus 0 to pi by 2, sorry, pi by 2, not pi, 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx minus 0 to pi by 2 log 2 dx minus 0 to pi by 2 log cos x dx. Okay. So now we are having zero to pi by 2 log sin x dx minus log 2 0 to pi by 2 dx minus 0 to pi by 2 log cos x dx. Zero to pi by 2 log sin x dx minus log 2 0 to pi by 2 dx minus 0 to pi by 2 log cos pi by 2 minus x dx. Now here I have used a property 0 to a fx dx is equal to 0 to a f a minus x dx. Okay, property is used only for the third part. Now what we are having, 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx minus log 2 0 to pi by 2 dx minus 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx. Now these two are the same terms with opposite signs. Okay, so what we are left with? We are left with log 2 0 to pi by 2 dx, and this is equal to log 2 with x, sorry, minus log 2 x to 0, minus log 2 with pi by 2 minus 0, and this is equal to minus pi by 2 log 2 answer. This is the answer.